Oh dear. Ooh. That's not my scene. Boom! Lingerie. John, why didn't you just take the lift, dude? What? You just take the lift? What the fuck are you guys doing?
So what do we do, Captain? Do we take them all out?
Yeah. You're paying though. Oh, you need to shoot them.
Oh.
So, yeah.
Just get the shit out of me. What is a window?
Just cleaning the windows.
Come on, Zach.
Who's shooting at? Who the fuck's shooting at us now?
Red!
We're Reds! Jeez. What the chaos out here. You're definitely getting some attention. Do you want to come out and play?